Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, guys. Alright guys, let's get right into it, guys. Today we're gonna have our daily Bitcoin update, our daily XRP, XLM, and Jasmy update, guys. But before we get to that, let's start off with the top 100 bubbles. Looks like the cryptos are bouncing back, guys, which is good. Looks like we're bouncing back from our altcoin lows. Let's see who the biggest gainers are for the day on the top 100 cryptos. Looks like we got CRV and AI16Z. They're both about 10% up for the day. We also have HBAR, it's up 5.4% for the day. Aave, 5.9% for the day. XDC and Solana, they're both up. XDC is up 6%. Solana's up 4.5%. We got Theta, it's up 8.3% for the day. But yeah, guys, in general, the coins are bouncing back. I only see about, like, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red bubbles, 8 red bubbles, around 8 to 9 red bubbles. So about 90% of the top 100 cryptos are bouncing back, guys. So that's great news, guys. Before I get into the Bitcoin and XRP, XLM, Jasmy update, I did want to share with you guys this article here about Tether. I've been seeing a lot of cotton out there. It looks like a lot of people are worried about Tether crashing the market, on December 30th. Looks like in Europe, in the EU states, looks like MiCA, they're gonna the markets in crypto asset regulation, which is MiCA for Europe. Looks like they're gonna delist Tether, or basically they're gonna basically ban Tether because it doesn't meet their their compliance. Looks like USDC and other stable coins aren't compliant with the EU's rules, but looks like Tether USDT is not compliant with the EU's regulations. So it looks like they're gonna ban Tether in Europe, guys, and it's gonna take effect into November 30th. So I just want to go over that real quick, and then I'll give my thoughts on it. So it looks like the European Union's cryptocurrency regulations are set to take full effect in just a matter of days. That would be November 30th, guys. But there's still a significant amount of uncertainty on Tether's USDT stablecoin. United States crypto exchange Coinbase delisted Tether USDT. So that would be Coinbase in Europe, guys, not here in the USA, because in the USA Coinbase still has USDT. So yeah, Coinbase delisted Tether USDT in mid-December, citing compliance with the EU's market in crypto assets regulation, MiCA. After Coinbase USDT delisting, the stablecoin has continued trading across the Europe, with many exchanges apparently awaiting more clarity from European authorities on USDT's compliance with MiCA. EU regulators have not said whether USDT is compliant with MiCA, but this doesn't mean stablecoin is not seen as a non-compliant in Europe, according to a member to the MiCA's Crypto Alliance. So I guess USDT's fate in Europe, all eyes are on MiCA's deadline. No regulators have explicitly stated that the USDT isn't compliant, but this does not mean that it is. Juan Ignacio Ibanez, a member of the technical committee of the MiCA Crypto Alliance, said, addressing exchanges like Binance or Crypto.com continuing USDT trading. Ibanez said that there are no reasons for crypto exchanges to delist USDT on the same date as Coinbase. Coinbase's decision may reflect a proactive approach to avoid last-minute compliance risk or regulatory uncertainty. As the EU's MiCA is expected to enter full force on December 30th, USDT delistings in the EU are still likely to come. We should look at the December 30th date. The question is whether all exchanges will delist USDT at once, whether it will be progressive, or whether some will play a wait-and-see game, expecting statements from the regulators. While some publications like Bloomberg said that the European crypto exchanges must delist Tether USDT by December 30th, European regulators have not given such guidance at the time of writing. In October 2024, the European Securities Markets Authority, ESMA, a key supervisor of MiCA compliance, declined to tell Cointelegraph whether USDT was seen as restricted stablecoin under MiCA. A spokesperson at ESMA then said that the regulator was working with market participants and other stakeholders to address stablecoin related issues presented in MiCA. So yeah, guys, it looks like they want to basically Tether's probably going to be banned in Europe. I mean, it's not 100% sure, I guess, according to the regulators, but most likely it is, guys. But whether it's delisted or not, or banned in Europe, guys, I don't think it's gonna really affect the crypto market, guys. So I just want to go over that with you guys. I don't think you guys have anything to worry about. I mean, I'm not worried about it. I don't know if you guys been around, the last 4 years. Basically, there's been a lot of Tether FUD. If you're new to the market, I'll let you guys know that every year there's always Tether FUD. Ever since like 2021 or 2020, right around there. I forget if it exactly was what year it was, but it's been around 4 years that every year, there's always a lot of Tether FUD. They always said, Tether, it's gonna get banned, or it's gonna, crash, and then it's gonna crash the crypto market. They say that it harbors like criminals, and a lot of bad people use Tether, and that's gonna basically crash and go down. But it never happens, guys. Every year there's a lot of Tether FUD, but it never happens, guys. So I don't think anything's gonna really happen, guys. And even if it was banned in Europe, I mean, that's just Europe. I mean, it's still allowed here. I think it's also gonna be banned in Canada. So I think it's going to be banned in Europe and Canada. But I mean, there's still the rest of the world. I mean, USA still uses it. I mean, Africa. I mean, all of Asia. Russia. China. I mean, it's just two countries. Or not two countries, but basically just Europe and Canada will be banning it. If they end up banning it, it's not even 100% sure. But even if they ban it, there's no reason for the cryptos to crash, guys. If anything, it might do the opposite. It might make the cryptos pump, because if people in Europe and Canada gotta sell their Tether, they gotta put it somewhere. So they're probably gonna invest into cryptos. They're probably invest into Bitcoin and cryptos. So definitely, guys, I just wanted to go over that because I've been seeing a lot of FUD out there about the market crashing on November 30th because Tether is gonna be banned in Europe and Canada. So definitely I don't think there's anything to worry about, guys. I mean, I wouldn't be worried about it, but just wanted to get that out there, guys. I don't think anything's going to happen. Definitely it's not going to crash the market. If anything, I think it'll pump the cryptos. And anyways, guys, in case you don't know, in case you're new to the market, I mean, like, it's never good to listen to the news or to the FUD. It really doesn't matter. I mean, the important thing is that, Bitcoin and cryptos, they follow a 4-year cycle. It doesn't matter, what they're saying in the news and CNN, the big YouTube channels. It doesn't really matter what they say. The chart, and the chart shows that Bitcoin and cryptos follow a 4-year cycle, and it doesn't really matter what's going on, in the everyday world. It's always gonna the charts are always gonna play out. They follow a cycle. I mean, it doesn't matter if the inflation is going high or if it's coming down. Bitcoin has been around since 2009, and during Bitcoin, I mean, there's been inflation there's been no inflation, and then there's been like really bad inflation, really high inflation, and every year, whether inflation goes up or down, Bitcoin goes up. It keeps mooning. It keeps going up every year. I mean, there's been war. I mean, not even wars affect Bitcoin. I mean, during Bitcoin got created 2009. From 2009 and now, there's been no wars. There's been wars. I mean, there's been the Russia attacking Ukraine. That didn't stop Bitcoin. Bitcoin still went up. There was all kinds of wars. The Israel and Palestine war. I mean, there's all kinds of wars always going on. But yet Bitcoin and the stock market always go up. So I mean, the wars and inflation and everyday news doesn't really affect Bitcoin and cryptos, guys. It's the it's the 4-year cycle that really affects it. You just gotta know what part of the 4-year cycle we're in. And if you've been listening to my videos, you would know that we're in the beginning of the third year of the bull run, or what I call the third year of the bull run. And the third year of the bull run is the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run phase for Bitcoin and cryptos, guys. So there's nothing to worry about, guys. I wouldn't listen to the Tether FUD. I would just not pay attention to that and pay attention to the charts, guys. Speaking of charts, let's get right into the Bitcoin update, guys. See what Bitcoin is doing at the time of recording. So it looks like the current price of Bitcoin at the time of recording is $94,957. Looks like we've just been going sideways. I mean, we closed today. Let's see what we closed at today. We closed today at 95,130. So that's at least a little better than yesterday. Yesterday we closed at 94,171. But basically, all of the last 24 hours, we've just been going, ranging around, 94,000, from 94,000 to 95,000. So that's just what we're gonna keep doing. If you've been listening to my videos, I don't think we're gonna dip lower than 92K. There's a lot of FUD out there. A lot of people are worried, that we're gonna go under 92K, that we're gonna get to 85,000, 87,000. I don't think that's gonna happen, guys. I think Bitcoin has bottomed. I think it wicked to a bottom on December 20th, all the way down to 92,115. I think Bitcoin is mimicking the 2020 cycle, or this cycle of 2024 for Bitcoin. It's mimicking almost to the T the 2020 Bitcoin cycle. I've already shown in previous videos. I'm not going to show it today because it's just too repetitive. But I've already shown how it's basically mimicking the 2020 cycle, guys. So I do believe Bitcoin has bottomed out. I think we're just going to go sideways. From now and probably a couple more days, but maybe sometime at the end of the year. We'll start, rallying and going up to higher prices. But if it doesn't happen by the end of the year, if we just keep going sideways, from now until New Year's, that'll be okay too, guys. I mean, as long as, we don't go to lower prices, the structure will still be bullish. If we don't start rallying by the end of the year, then we'll start rallying in early January, guys. But either way, look at this chart. Look at this Bitcoin chart. It's so bullish. I mean, there's nothing really to be fearful about. I mean, Bitcoin consolidates, it goes up, and then it takes a while to consolidate before it goes to the next leg up, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm not going to spend too much time on the chart because basically nothing has changed. I mean, if you want more deeper analysis, look at my previous videos where I've done way deeper analysis. I show you a previous 2020 cycle, how it's mimicking it to the T. But basically, guys, I don't want to get too repetitive, because I've been showing the charts every day. But basically, we did nothing the last 24 hours. We just basically range from 94K to 95K. So my thesis is still the same. I do believe, Bitcoin is going to keep going sideways. I do believe that, maybe by November 30th, I think we might start, getting some green candles to the upside. I think the Tether, instead of crashing it, the Tether news, instead of crashing it, it's going to have the opposite effect, and it's going to be bullish. Well, really, I don't think Tether's going to affect it at all. I just, even if the Tether news wasn't around, I still think, sometime by the end of the year, we're going to start rallying, guys. But if it doesn't happen by the end of the year, then for sure we'll start rallying in the beginning of January, guys. I've already shown in previous videos how in the chart, we basically already bottomed out. And we're just going to, keep grinding up slowly. It's going to be a slow grind to the upside, guys. Be patient. Remember Warren Buffett's quote, the transfer of wealth is from the impatient to the patient. So we just got to be patient, guys, and we will reap the rewards in 2025, guys. So yeah, guys, remain bullish on Bitcoin. I still expect Bitcoin to rally. We might get, close to 107,000 or 108,000 by the end of the year. But if it doesn't happen by the end of the year, it'll surely happen, in the beginning of January, guys. And in case you haven't heard my previous videos, my price prediction for Bitcoin at the top of the bull run in 2025 is somewhere between $180,000 to $250,000, guys. And I do expect Bitcoin to top off somewhere around September of 2025, give or take a month. It might be August, September, or October of 2025. That's when I see the Bitcoin top coming in. Some price range between 180K and 250K, guys. So yeah, guys, remain bullish on Bitcoin. Not much to say. It's just doing the same thing, just going sideways, guys. But it will start rallying soon. Let's get right into the XRP update, guys. See what XRP is doing. I'm not going to spend too much time on it again, too, because again, it's just been going sideways. If you want deeper analysis on XRP, XLM, and Jasmy, look into my previous videos. Because I mean, basically, it's just been going sideways. Nothing new to report. So I don't want to bore you guys with the same thing. I don't want to bore my subscribers with the same thing I've been saying every day. But yeah, but if you're new, look at my previous videos. I go into deeper analysis into Bitcoin, XRP, and XLM and Jasmy. But basically, guys, XRP just doing the same thing, just going sideways. Yesterday we closed at $2.18, and the day before that we closed at $2.14. At least we closed higher, but basically we've just been going sideways for the last 3 weeks. And I do expect higher prices for XRP as soon as Bitcoin starts rallying to the upside, guys. And I do expect Bitcoin to start rallying to the upside either by the end of the year or sometime in the beginning of January, guys. I do see Bitcoin rallying. So that's going to pull up XRP and all the altcoins. So I do see XRP rallying soon, guys. If not by the end of the year, for sure in the first week of January, I should see Bitcoin rallying, and that'll pull up XRP, guys. Once XRP starts rallying, it passes $2.90. My next price target after $2.90 is around $3.50. That's where I see a little bit of sell-off, a little bit of resistance. In case you don't know, 2017 was the all-time high for XRP, and it was $3.50. And that's why I see some selling at $3.50 because a lot of people bought that top in 2017 at $3.50. So there might be some resistance and some selling off at $3.50. But once it breaks $3.50, we'll be basically in price discovery. We'll be in blue skies, no resistance at all. And I do see a quick moonshot to a price around $6 to $7 after $3.50, guys. So yeah, remain bullish on XRP. I do believe XRP is going to have a massive bull run this cycle. I do believe XRP is mimicking the 2017 cycle. Where it did over a 500x. I don't think it'll do over a 500x this cycle, but I do believe it could do at least a 50x from the bear market low of 30 cents. So I do believe it could, realistically speaking, it could at least get to $15. That's my realistic price range, price prediction for XRP is $15. But I do see it having the potential of rallying for 100x from the bear market low of 30 cents. So if Bitcoin has a massive bull run, gets anywhere close to 250K, then I do see XRP topping off around $30 this cycle, guys. So yeah, remain bullish on XRP, guys, and you'll reap the rewards in 2025, guys. So let's get right into the XLM update. It's going to be a quick update too, because it's been doing basically the same thing, just going sideways, guys. It's at 35 cents right now. It closed today at 35 cents and a half. Yesterday it closed at 34.9. So we're closing higher, so that's good. I do believe it's already been consolidating for over a month. It's done over a 50% correction from its local top of 63 cents. It bottomed out at 31 cents on December 20th. So basically, I do believe it's bottomed out. Now it's just going sideways, consolidating. And the same thing, just like XRP, as soon as Bitcoin starts rallying to the upside, then I do see XLM going to higher prices, guys. Also, in case you don't know, my XLM price prediction is around $3.50. Realistically speaking, I do see a $3.50 XLM at the top of the bull run. But if Bitcoin has a massive bull run this cycle, I do see it getting as high as $7, guys. And my next price target after it breaks 63 cents, we got to get it back up, 63 cents. But once we break 63 cents, I do see it, quickly going to 73 cents. It might have a little bit of stallment, maybe like a day or two stallment at 73 cents, because that's the 2021 cycle, the 2021 XLM cycle high. But I don't think it'll be too much resistance there. I see more resistance coming in around 93 cents. Because at 93 cents, that's where the current all-time high sits at 93 cents that XLM made in 2017. So there might be more selling off at 93 cents. But once we break 93 cents, just like XRP, we'll be in new all-time highs. We'll be in price discovery, and we'll probably do a quick moonshot to $1 and above as soon as we break 93 cents, guys. So remain bullish on XLM, guys, and you'll reap the rewards in 2025, guys. So let's get it right into the Jasmy quick update again. It's been basically the same thing. The market has been just going sideways, but don't let the market, bore you to death. Don't let the market lullaby you to sleep, because I do believe Jasmy and Bitcoin and the cryptos are about to pump. If not by the end of the year, for sure in the first week of January, I do see a big pump coming in for Bitcoin and cryptos, guys. So Jasmy is sitting at 0.34 cents right now. We did end up closing at 0.35 cents, so that's good. And the day before that we closed at 0.345, so we're closing higher. It bottomed out on December 20th, just like most coins, and Bitcoin bottomed out at 0.28. So I think the local low is in. So I think after a 50% correction, it had already a little bit over a 50% correction from the local top of 6 cents they made on December 5th. It's already been consolidating for almost for almost a month. Not a month, for like 3 weeks. It's been consolidating for over 3 weeks. So I do see Jasmy rallying to the upside as soon as Bitcoin starts rallying and starts going to higher prices. Jasmy and the cryptos are gonna follow, guys. So basically everything's the same I've been saying for the last few days. Nothing has changed, guys. Everything's just going sideways, but don't let the market lullaby you to sleep. I do believe Bitcoin is going to start pumping soon, if not by the end of the year, by the first week of January, and that's going to pull up Jasmy and the cryptos, guys. Once we get back up above 4 cents, we got to break 4 cents first. That's we got a lot of resistance there, but I'm sure we'll break it as soon as Bitcoin starts rallying. Once we break 4 cents, then we got to break 6 cents, which is the current local top, and then once we break 6 cents, then I do see Jasmy next price target being somewhere around 8 cents. Somewhere about 8 cents to 10 cents is Jasmy next price target, guys. So remain bullish on Jasmy, and you'll reap the rewards in 2025, guys. So yeah, guys, just made a quick update on Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, and Jasmy, just because nothing really has changed. Everything's just been going sideways, but the cryptos are bouncing back, guys. So that's pretty good. Now I want to go over COQ. In case you don't know, COQ ENU with the ticker COQ. That's the #1 meme coin in Avalanche. I do believe Avalanche is going to have a massive run, and it's going to it's going to get over like $600 this cycle, guys. And as soon as Avalanche starts running, I do believe the #1 meme coin on the Avalanche blockchain, which is COQ, is going to run too. So just I've already mentioned like Crow with Knife and Dip, all the Chronos meme coins. Just want to give you guys a little hidden gem. COQ, it has already run up a little bit. It's already gone up. It's already gone up. Like a lot actually. 0.9. Okay, they changed the all-time low, because the all-time low was 0.07. I guess it's gone up a lot already, but I do see a lot of potential for COQ. The all-time low was 0.932, and I guess it's at 0.515 right now. This kind of weird, because the other day, I said the all-time low for COQ was 7 zeros, and now it's saying the all-time low was 903, and before I used to say 703. So I guess it's changed a lot. But either way, guys, it's only $104 million market cap. And I do think it could get to at least like 10 billion this market cap. So I do think it could do a 100x from the price of today, guys. So in case you don't know about COQ, guys, I do believe COQ is gonna moon. It's been just ranging between 501 and 502 the last month. Let me put it into the monthly here so you can see. Just waiting for the load. See, for the last month it's just been ranging from 5027 to 501, right around there. So definitely I think it's still a good deal, guys. It's at 5015. But the main thing is to look at is the market cap. I mean, it's only got a 104 million market cap. So I do think it could get to like a $10 billion market cap. I mean, Pepe is already like a $9 billion market cap. So I do believe at the top of the bull run, when COQ tops off, it could at least get to 10 billion. So I do believe there's a lot of potential. At least anywhere between a 50x to 100x potential left on COQ. In case you like meme coins, and you don't know about COQ, I still think it's a good buy. And right now that it dipped. It was at 0.27. It was at 0.27. Actually, it was at 0.29 on December 4th. So it's been having a nice correction. So it's already corrected, like 50%. So it might be a good time to pick it up, because I do believe it's going to start running as soon as Avalanche starts going parabolic. I think COQ is going to go even more parabolic, guys. So definitely, if you like Avalanche, I do recommend COQ. I do believe it's going to do anywhere from a 50 to 100x from the price of today, guys. And in case you don't know about COQ, let's go over COQ a little bit. COQ is just a meme coin, but it does have a lot of other things in it that it's doing. So let's go over it a little bit. So the market cap is 105 million. I mean, they burned COQ. Oh yeah, I forgot to go over tokenomics. The total max supply of COQ is 69.4 trillion, and all of it is into circulation. So 100% of it is into circulation. So that's good. So the team's not going to dump on you. You could buy a lot of places. I mean, you could buy the BitGet, Bybit, LFJ, Avalanche, KuCoin, HTX, Mexi, Gate.io, BingeX, Crypto.com, Bitmart, and a bunch of other places. Like I said, the all-time low is 9032, and the all-time high is 5064. But I'm not sure about this all-time low, because the all-time low used to be 703, and now it's 903. So I don't know why that changed, but either way, guys, the market cap's only $104 million. So Pepe's at 9 billion. I do believe COQ could at least get to 10 billion at the top of the bull run, guys. So yeah, definitely let's get back into see what COQ is all about. It says life is better when you have some cock in you. And also they've already burned over 28 billion COQ, guys. So they might keep burning some more. It says, born from a collective friendship deeply rooted in memetics and humor, COQ Inu is not your average meme coin. It is a way of life. So you could buy it, at Dexes and and other exchanges, like I already went over. You could buy it in Dexes. Again, it's the number one meme coin in Avalanche. It's got a big ecosystem, though, guys. So it's not. It is just a meme coin, but it's got a lot of things besides just being a meme coin. It's got DeFi in it, socials, gaming, NFTs, wallets, merchandise, infrastructure, CEX. Like it's got the COQ cards. This is the official COQ cards collection from COQ Inu, celebrating various milestones within the Cock Inu timeline. It's got the Cockbook, the premier sports betting platform built on COQ. See, like I was saying, it's a meme coin, but it's got a lot of other utility as well. Like, it's got this premier sports betting platform. It's got COQ cards. It's got the Botcast, premier community Twitter Spaces, daily Cock Align community discussions about everything related to chicken and cock, powered by Egg. It's got the chicken NFT, our close friends and seeding community of humble farmers. Only chicken lay eggs. Do not unroost egg expect. This is the game of chicken. It's basically a game, and it's got NFTs in it. It's got Benki Finance, the DeFi, land and borrow with your cock using BNQ Finance, COQ collateral. This is the game. It's got GIPHY repository for COQ available for use in your social platforms. It's got Cock University, free Web3 financial literacy platform, COQ subnet incubator for all the change wish to see you in the world. founder and chancellor. It's got okay, that's Chainlink. It's got COQ Net by Gogopool, the subnet for builders who want avalanche speeds and Bitcoin fairness. The development led by Gogopool, Gigabrains, the Coq Align team specialized in subnets. It's got Coq Combo, COQ Combo. Is a fun and arcade-style Unity based around chickens, COQs, and eggs, and is one of the winners of Coq Inu's inaugural hackathon. Basically, it's a game. So yeah, guys, got a lot of cool stuff, Rooster Run, another game. So it's got a lot of Web3 games. So definitely, check it out. In case you didn't know about Coq Inu, I definitely think it's the number one meme coin on Avalanche. And I do believe it's gonna moon, guys. It's got no allocation, no pre-sale, no taxes, no BS. So and they do burn. So definitely just wanted to let you know about COQ, guys, in case you didn't know about it. So definitely look into COQ, guys. One of the hidden gems out there. I'm very bullish on Avalanche. I think Avalanche is one of those chosen blockchains that are gonna do really good this cycle and all the cycles to come. So maybe the number one meme coin in Avalanche, which is Coq Inu, COQ Inu, is also going to do really good, guys. Like I said, I think it could do anywhere from a 50 to 100x from the current price of right now. It's at 5015. So it could probably lose like 1 or 2 zeros for sure, and you'll be able to make some good gains, around 50 to 100x. So look into COQ, guys. But again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Don't buy or sell any, coin because I say so or because anybody says so. Learn to do your own research and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys. And one last piece of news I want to go over with you guys is, I guess El Salvador Bitcoin stash hits over 6,000 BTC, and that is now worth $569 million, guys. So I guess El Salvador joins the U.S., China, the UK, that's the United Kingdom, and the Ukraine, and Bhutan as the only countries with Bitcoin holdings currently above 6,000 BTC. El Salvador has become the 6th country to currently hold more than 6,000 Bitcoin, further solidifying the cryptocurrency status as a treasury asset for President Nayib Bukele's country. El Salvador acquired another Bitcoin on December 29, pushing the country's holdings to 6,000.77 Bitcoin, currently worth $569.3 million, according to the National Bitcoin Office of El Salvador Portfolio Tracker. The latest buy puts El Salvador up 108% on its Bitcoin investment, having purchased the 6,000 Bitcoin at an average purchase of $45,450, according to the Nayib Bukele Portfolio Tracker. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to share this bullish news with you guys, so you guys don't get bearish on me. Don't listen to the FUD out there, that Tether's gonna crash the market, or that we pretty much topped off for Bitcoin and we're headed to a bear market. That the crypto bull run is canceled, that it's over. Don't listen to the FUD out there, guys, and learn to have patience, guys. I know the market has just been going sideways, for the last week or two, or longer. We all wanted to start mooning already, but we gotta learn to have patience, guys. Just like Mr. Warren Buffett says, the transfer of wealth. Well, actually, the full quote is the stock market, but I'm gonna change it from the stock market to the crypto market. So the full quote goes like this: the crypto market is a device to transfer wealth from the impatient to the patient. So learn to have patience, guys. I've been having patience since the bear market low. I bought a lot of Bitcoin, in late 2022 when it was around 16,000. I didn't catch the low of 15,100 something, but I did buy some around $16,000. And I bought a lot of other altcoins, in their bear market lows like Avalanche, Solana. I bought some Ethereum, some XCN, some Jasmy, some Dip, some Crow with Knife. I bought some COQ Inu. And a bunch of other coins. I have a lot of coins, guys, but I've been waiting since late 2022. I've been waiting all 2023, all 2024. So I've been waiting over 2 years, guys, and I'm probably gonna have to wait, a few more months until I start selling off. I'll probably sell some in March 2025. Keep subscribed to the channel because I'll be letting you know when I'll be selling. I do see bearish things coming in March of 2025 for Bitcoin in the crypto market. But from now until March of 2025, I do see nothing but bullish things coming for Bitcoin and crypto. We got to know what part of the 4-year cycle we're in. And right now, we're in the beginning phase of the Bitcoin and crypto parabolic bull run cycle, guys. So that's why I know, I'm pretty sure. I mean, I don't know 100%. I mean, I don't have a crystal ball. But I just look at the chart, and according to the data, according to history, we should see higher prices from now into March of 2025. So that's why right now I'm bullish, guys. I'm not going to be selling right now. I'm not going to let Tether or the market makers, scare me out of my position, make me sell my coins. I'm gonna wait patiently, because the transfer of wealth is from the impatient to the patient, guys. I'm not gonna be chasing green candles. I'm already all in into my favorite cryptos that I already bought. So I'm just going to wait and reap the rewards in 2025, guys. So yeah, guys, stay bullish in the market. Do not get bearish on me. This is not the time to be bearish, guys. This is the time to be bullish. Right now, we're in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptos, guys. So yeah, guys, just wanted to do this quick update for you guys. If you guys want, today I didn't go a deep dive into the Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, Jasmy chart. Because it's been basically the same thing. It's just been going sideways. But if you want deeper analysis in the Bitcoin chart, look at my previous videos. I go over Bitcoin more deeply. I'll probably go tomorrow. I'll probably go more deeply into the Bitcoin chart. But I just wanted to didn't want to make it too repetitive for my subscribers, because basically Bitcoin has just been going sideways. So there's nothing really new to report. Like I said, my thesis is the same. I do believe we bottomed out for Bitcoin and cryptos on December 20th, and we're just going to keep grinding up slowly until the end of the year. I do believe we're going to have an end of the year rally. We might see Bitcoin, above 100,000, maybe even as high as 107,000, 108,000 by the end of the year. But if it doesn't happen by the end of the year, for sure, that will happen in the first week of January, guys. But either way, we're not going to crash. We're not going lower. We're not going to go into a bear market, guys. Remember, guys, we're in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptos. And just in case the market makers does one last shakeout and maybe dips Bitcoin back to 92K or 90K, or a quick wick below 90K, don't let the market maker shake you out. That'll be just one last shakeout to shake out all the weak hands and all the fearful people, guys. And in case we do wick below 92K or 90K, it'll be a quick recovery, guys. If we do wick below 92K or 90K, it'll be like a V-shaped recovery, and recover quickly, guys. So don't let the market maker shake you out, guys. This is not the time to be bearish, guys. If you're already in the market right now, the best thing to do is just hold and reap the rewards in 2025. And if you still have some dry powder on the side, maybe wait in case the market maker does one last shakeout, and then buy the dip. If the market maker does one last shakeout, consider that a gift. Consider that a gift from the market maker, and buy the dip, and you'll reap the rewards in 2025, guys. All right, guys. Again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. There's not financial advice. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so or because anybody says so. Learn to do your own research and only invest in the markets what you're willing to lose, guys. All right, guys. I hope you guys are having happy holidays out there. Hopefully, you guys had a great Christmas. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays. And we're gonna have a great end of the year. And I do believe 2025 is even going to be better, guys. All right, guys. This is a Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.